this is Harshila. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another day in my life sort of a vlog, but this is going to be like a Diwali vlog wherein I am going to be kind of deep cleaning my room and maybe kitchen. Also like try making some mithai. I'm not too sure, but let's see. I just took my curtains off and I'm going to wash them now. And I also have to clean my windows and mirror, even though I just recently cleaned my mirrors, but I still wanted to do that. Also, I got this done. Wait, where is it? Okay, I got this done. So finally my silver play button has a place and I think it looks nice. Okay, firstly, please don't mind that in the background. I am still figuring it out as to where I want to keep that. So yeah, I thought I'll do a little grocery haul for you guys. Now these are the things that I got from DMart recently. Couldn't really vlog that, so I just thought that I'll show you what all I got. So this is the thing that I got. This is the muesli. If you guys have watched my vlogs earlier and if you guys have been following me for a while, you would know that this is the muesli that I used to buy because it used to always be on sale in DMart. Like you'd get like two of these in 500 rupees, which is really inexpensive according to me. It has like two variants in it. So the first one, I really like the mixed fruit one. It's really nice. The other one, I don't like it as much. It is the dry fruit one. So yeah, that's that. The second thing that I got are these two trail mixes. Now I really don't know. I mean, I have watched a couple of videos where they use trail mixes to make these energy balls. So yeah, that is why I got it. I'm really excited to try this one. This is by Yoga Bar. This is the tangy tomato one. I want to try this one. I mean, this sounds interesting. And this is spicy masala. So the next thing that I got, this I actually got it from Amazon, but it arrived, so I just thought of showing it to you guys. So this is Chai Craft Spearmint Green Tea. Okay, this one I've already opened and I've tried it, and this is the other one, and these are so good, but again I think they are expensive but really good. Okay, like I don't even feel like I'm drinking green tea. It's that good. Like all I can really taste is mint. How usually when you put the green tea bag in the cup and suppose you leave it for like longer period of time, it tastes so bitter, right? But that's not the case with this one. It's so good. Like all you really taste is mint. So yeah, but yeah, expensive. Also stocked up on my Greek yogurts. I also had one. Okay, this is Mishti Doi. Yeah, the other one I had it. That was a strawberry, and I also really like the blueberry one. I actually like all of them. Like Epigamia and the Greek yogurts are like, they have my heart. The thing I got is this brown rice. Again, the video that I made, wherein I tried eating like Komal Pandey. She tried brown rice and I really liked it, so I thought of getting one for myself. This is by India Gate. Again, I think this was expensive, but that's okay. Also got some oil. This is the oil that I used to like, diya lagane ke liye, and right now there's like Diwali and everything. So this, yeah, I'm going to be definitely using this a lot. Also got some Maggi, and yeah, I had to get my fruits. I try to eat like one apple a day. And also 2 bananas. I'm also trying to incorporate different fruits. So I also have like watermelon and papaya. Papaya is something that I really like to eat. I mean a lot. I enjoy eating that. A little haul for you guys. I also got like a lot of flowers which are in my fridge right now. But yeah, I got them for Diwali obviously and to decorate my house and balcony. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. Let me know if you guys are excited for Diwali and if you guys are like decorating your house and space and how are you doing it. I would like to know. Guys, someone's wearing this t-shirt which I'm not really a fan of. Come na, show them. You do a try. So it says
it's इतने बोलते बोलते ना चालू नहीं था. So it says Samatha at the back. Have you guys watched that movie मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ, wherein you know, the director has made sure that the dad is wearing dad cap and the mom is wearing mom cap, the dog is wearing dog cap, to make it so obvious that they are who they are, you know, so that the audience don't really get confused. That's how I feel with Samar today. Like, you know, he is Samar, then he's trying to tell you that he's Samar. I don't get the point of doing this. Why do people do this? So guys, one of my subscribers, she actually sent me this, which I'm super excited about.
तिचा ॲड्रेस आहे मान.
तिचा पण ॲड्रेस बघू नका आणि माझा पण ॲड्रेस बघू नका कोणीच. ओके, तर या
फाडून टाक ॲड्रेस.
तो yeah, so I'm really excited. She actually makes like really good paintings, and she also makes you know, bookmarks. So I'm guessing that she has sent me bookmarks, but yeah, bookmark is like, I don't know, let me see what it is. So guys, this is how the package looks like, and oh my god, dear Harshla, thank you for appreciating my art. You have always been an inspiration. Oh, she sent me butterfly pea seeds. Oh my god, I've tried it, the butterfly pea tea, and it's so nice. She sent me the seeds. That's so thoughtful. Oh my god, Aishwarya, you're so sweet. So sweet. Oh my god, those are my plants, and I think she has tried to draw me. This is so sweet. I can't even. My heart is so full right now. Like, I can't even tell you. This is so sweet. If you're watching, Aishwarya, this means the world to me, and you guys should definitely go ahead and check out her page. Yeah, everything is just so thoughtful, and the seeds, oh my god, they definitely have my heart. Yeah, most thoughtful thing ever, and this has to be the best Diwali gift that I have personally received. So thank you for making my Diwali a little bit more special. Okay guys, I'm here with my mom, and we are actually making McCain potato wedges. I think, yeah, it's chili garlic potato bites, and this is my first time actually making you know, McCain's. I've never really, oh, I've tried it once, the one with the face one. Yeah, I've tried that one. It was okay, I think. So yeah, cooking with my mama. Hi guys, good morning. So yesterday was such a crazy day. I mean, I posted my balcony makeover video, and we started filming that around 4 o'clock. I got done with the edit and upload at 12:30 because my net went off like twice, and yeah, it just took me a lot of time, and then I uploaded it, so it did not get the initial push. So if you haven't watched it, I would really appreciate if you could just go and watch the video, because it really has taken me a lot of time and effort. So yeah, but today again I have a really busy day. I think day after tomorrow, today is 10th, right? Today is 11th. Yeah, today is 11th, and then day after tomorrow is Diwali. So today I have to do one shoot for this brand, and yeah, so basically I'm just like sending them pictures for the frame, and you know, the outfits and everything, and right now I'm just like grooming myself a little bit before I actually like start with the shoot and everything. I think by now I've become a pro, like with doing my brows on my own. Like earlier I used to be like, oh my god, how will I do this? But yeah, I've been like really enjoying doing my own brows. A lot of you guys think that it's really easy to do what we do, or what I do is just like clicking few pictures, but that's not how it is. So basically I have been like sending the setup, like firstly I'm setting up the setup, and then I'm sending the pictures, and they're just like so much back and forth. Right now it's, I think, 1 o'clock, and I was supposed to start the shoot by now, and I still haven't. I still have to like paint my nails. Yeah, that's how particular the brands can be. Sometimes like they'll want you to
paint your nails a certain color, the outfit should be a certain color. I must have sent like over 10 outfit options already. Yeah, some brands are like just like that, and sometimes you even have to like wear the outfit and send it to them, and then they'll be like, okay fine, this is fine, you can go ahead and shoot. And they might not even like what you have shot, and they'll come back to you and be like, okay, we don't like this and we would want you to reshoot. So there's just a lot that goes in. I'm not saying every campaign is like this or every brand is so particular, but there are brands, and at least I think in a year I do couple of these, where it's just so much to do, like before the shoot itself, uske baad shoot karo, uske baad you send in. Sometimes it's in real time, like there have been times where I'm clicking pictures and at that time only we are sending it to the brand, and then the brand will see and be like, okay, this pose is not right, do that pose, this, that. Like so much goes in, like that there's only one picture that you're seeing, but that's not how it is. There's a lot that goes behind it. But anyway, that was my just a little ramble, because I was a little like irritated right now, and I just wanted to like put it out there. So yeah, I kind of like vented it out. But currently what I'm doing is I have to steam this outfit that they chose.
पण समर्थ ना क्यूट दिसतो असा ब्लॉग करताना फुल म्हणजे असा एकदम
हाय ना, मी ना समोरला तेच बोलली की ना, हे कसं असतं बघ ना, कॅमेरावरती लोक काहीतरी बोलतेच दिसतात. हे पण असं नाही, मी तर कशीच दिसते तशी मी कॅमेरावरती दिसते.
म्हणजे तू काय बोलते रिअल लाईफ मध्ये
लोक इतके चांगले दिसत नाहीत. फॉर एक्झाम्पल
शलाका
काय हा
रिअल लाईफ मध्ये
रिअल लाईफ मध्ये पण क्यूट आहे युट्यूब
4:5 च्या फ्रेमच्या टाईपची घे. 4:5 मध्ये ते जे आपण दाखवतो सगळं आलं. ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ फाईन. ओ थँक यू. क्या करूँ मैं इतनी सुंदर, तो आप ही बताओ क्या करूँ. स्वतःला बोल. एनीवे मीच एडिट करणार आहे स्वतः. So I got all the part.
दिस इज माय फर्स्ट ब्लॉग और
This is my first vlog. Are you starting a YouTube channel now?
आप बताओ.
आप बताओ. चला काय बोल रही है बताएगा. समज काय दिसतो ना युट्यूबवरती वगैरे, मी पण त्याला तेच बोलत होती की कॅमेरावरती लोक खूप चांगले दिसतात. लोकांना असं वाटतं की आता तर मी तर छावा आहे करून. तो शाला का बोलती है ना, म्हणजे खूपच इन रियल तो है ना वो कैसा दिखता है. हम लोग सब वही बात कर रहे थे. गाइस त्याला बोल गाइस,
तुमको डोमिनोज नहीं मिल रहा दोनों को.
guys, Shalaka is here. If you guys know her, I don't know if you guys follow me on my Instagram, you may know her. We usually click a lot of pictures together. She is Samar's childhood friend, so we are actually shooting right now, and we just gotten like one photo, and it has taken us almost an hour. And right now we are eating some Domino's. Actually, I've been eating Domino's for the last 3 days, and yeah, I think I'm going to like gain a lot of weight. I think I'm going to like lose out on all the mehnat that I did for like what 2-3 months that I've been working out. All of that is going to go
I mean,
just like this. So, yeah. Guys, I just got done shooting. Like we just got done shooting, but we still don't know if the pictures have been approved or no. So right now I'm just like sending all the pictures for approval, and that's it. It took me 5 hours. 5 म्हणजे मी तर कधीपासून काम करते ह्याच्यावरती. It took me 5 hours, like 12 वाजल्यापासून आता 5 वाजल्यात exactly, 5:15 वाजल्यात. Yeah, I've been working for 5 hours, and all that I've managed clicking is 2 pictures, because yeah, that's how much time and effort goes into just clicking pictures. I've been eating so much of trash, I can't even tell you. Also, this is so cute, right? This is just the cherry necklace that I got from H&M just today, and I really like it. So yeah, right now I'm just making some tea. But and Shalaka just went home right now, and oh my god, you have to see my room. It is such a mess, and yeah, I've been shooting all day, so it's a lot to do. I'm going to like quickly make some chai, drink some chai, and then I'm going to like, yeah, clean that mess.